Hey everyone, Todd here reviewing the Joyce Chen Bamboo Steamer. We're very excited to give this a try. As you can see, it comes with 2 levels and a top. So basically you just set them on whatever your steaming source is, and in this case it's our wok full of water. And we're going to do I think we're going to do 1 level today. So we're going to get the water going, and you want to get that nice and boiling, and go ahead and put the first level right there on the pan. You don't have to do anything else, just stick it right on there. You're not going to burn it, you're not going to hurt it. And we had a lot of fun the other night doing some homemade dumplings. So we've placed these in the freezer. These are coming out frozen. You don't have to thaw anything out, just put them right in the steamer. Now typically we might want to use some parchment paper, but you don't have to. So make sure though you spread things out so they don't actually stick to each other. And then what you want to do is go ahead and get the cover on, let it steam for, depending what you're steaming, 10 or 15 minutes. Nothing's going to get too hot to touch either. This bamboo really stays cool to the touch, but be careful. Be careful when you go to lift the top off. Went ahead and wow, look at these beautiful dumplings. And I really think, even though my wife and I did a great job making the dumplings, I think the steamer is the one to be credited for how good they were cooked. Cooking with steam is amazing. So now it's time to remove these from the steamer. Go ahead and grab your favorite pair of chopsticks or tongs and just be careful, because sometimes the food can stick to each other. They're not going to stick to the bamboo. And this is why you can either use the parchment paper or not. Of course, we opted not to in this video. We're going to remove the dumplings one at a time. And if we wanted to put more in and just start steaming something else, you absolutely can do that. You can stop and clean it if you want with just running some water over it, or you can just go ahead and just put more food right in there. I cannot recommend this particular bamboo steamer enough. It didn't show up warped, damaged. It was perfect. Enjoy.